Guys, welcome to another business crash course video where I cover small business concepts in under 2 minutes. So, next one that we're covering today is customer acquisition costs. Okay, so that's a mouthful, but in short what it says is how much do you pay and how much do you spend on advertising for every customer that comes into your business. It's important to understand this because it's a concept. Customer acquisition cost is like advertising is actually when you buy customers. You advertise, you spend money on advertising, and then for every customer that comes in there, there's a cost to them. So let's break it down simple. I spend 1,000 Rand a month advertising. There is 100 customers coming into my store. What's my customer acquisition cost? 10 Rand. Why is this important to understand? Remember, there's a subject called gross profit, all right? And we use gross profit to pay for our advertising. If our advertising spend is much more than our gross profit, we won't be making any profit. Okay, so that's an important concept to understand. Understand what you're paying to get that customer into your shop and to buy a product, and make sure that you aren't spending more than you are making. Understand customer acquisition cost. It is very important. Hope you guys find that helpful. If you did, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it if you want to, but above all else, enjoy the journey of building your own business. Cheers guys.